All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. That's actually a really good thing, the BlockFi credit card. If you don't want to buy cryptocurrency, get the credit card. You get your rewards back in Bitcoin, you earn your Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're talking about AMP token. Yep, AMP token. We're going to go over to the website, check out what's going on there, do a little Twitter, see what's going on in their Twitter account. It's a little bit below 5 cents right now. This could be a good loading up period. We're going to talk about that. Also, what is Elon Musk going to do with his billions of dollars from his stock sales? Is he going to put in the Tesla, SpaceX? We're going to go over and dig into what is Elon Musk going to do. Is he going to do cryptocurrency? We don't know. Checking that out. Also, we'll do a top 10 of what's going on, and we're going to weave in a little bit of stocks at the end. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Hey, New Year's, did you have a good time? Did you put the metaverse goggles on? Were you able to go to the New York ball dropping? Give us your comments in the bottom if you did. All right, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, AMP token is number 65th on the CoinMarketCap. It's down about 2% in the last 7 days, but it's up 1% in the last 24 hours. Go ahead and click in it. AMP token again. Oh, take a look over to the right. It's actually up 1.5%, just under 5 cents. 0.49. Is this a good time to actually load back up on your AMP token? A lot of people like it when it's under 5 cents, 4.75 cents. They want to load up. It's under 5 cents. Is this the time that you're looking for, everybody? In the last 7 days, the token actually went all the way up over here, 5.8, 5.7, so it did almost hit 6 cents. Then it kind of came back down, 5.2, 5.1. Then it's kind of for the last couple days here been right at that 4.9. 4.8, 4.9, 4.8, 4.9. So that's what it's been doing in the last 7 days. Let's check out the holders since we're here. Clicking holders, clicking 3 months. See what's going on in the last 3 months. 3 months ago, there was 43,000, almost 44,000, 43,000 holders. Right now, there's 63,000. That's 20,000 going into 43, almost a 50%, probably about 45%. 45% more holders of the AMP token in just the last 90 days. That's gigantic, everybody. If there's 45% more people holding the AMP, guess what? This is going to keep going up and going up. Over here at the AMP token's website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like USDC with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. You know, AMP token is a collateral token. Fantastic. It does 3 different things. It stakes the coin, you can send the coin, and you can repeat. The staking part, AMP is an extensible platform collateralized asset transfer. By staking AMP, any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currency exchanges, loans, distribution, and property sales. Then you can also send the AMP. Once you stake your AMP, AMP is ready to collateralize and to be transferred. With the use of collateral pools, AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof networks and any real-world application. The third thing you would do is repeat. AMP also simplifies the network rewards distributed once the transfer is complete. The AMP smart contracts offer a variety of built-in incentive modes, including micro-distribution and continuous compounding. Yeah, that all sounds really awesome, huh? So who does AMP work with? Right here is Meet Our Friends. From staking payments on Flexa to providing stability through liquidity, the AMP ecosystem offers many ways to use and earn AMP token today. So here are some of the people that work with staking and working with AMP. We got Flexa, Bittrex, Gemini, Coinbase, we can't name everybody, Uniswap, Sushi, Crypto.com, they're gigantic, everybody, Rainbow, CoinGecko, Chainlink, Zapper, just to name a few. Over at the AMP Twitter account here, you know, they did a fantastic ending of the year. You know, that's a wrap. Closing out the 25 days of Flexa 2021 with newly added support for more than 30 more than 30 digital assets on the Flexa network. I mean, we got Dogecoin Mars on here. You got all kinds of stuff here. Just to name a few here, we got Cube, you got Dogecoin Mars, you got Keep, you got Mass, Live Peer Org, Gala, Go Gala Games, all kinds of good stuff. I also like this about a week before Christmas. It says right here, now on Flexa, enter the metaverse. GameStop is now on Flexa, so you can pay to play on your Flexa. And it also enables support of 4 new metaverse assets. Axie Infinity, Mana, Smooth Love Potion are now accepted anywhere Flexa is accepted. So a lot of huge improvements for Flexa right at the end of the year. A lot of huge improvements for AMP token right at the end of the year. So give us your thoughts, what you think of AMP token. Don't forget the first quarter of this year, which is right now, Amazon is bringing in 2 cryptocurrencies. Now there's 4 of them that are on that they kind of narrowed it down to 4. AMP token, Shiba Inu, Hulk, and Matic. Those 4 are the 4 that they're going to pick 2. So if AMP token gets picked as one of the 2, holy cow, what's going to happen to the price of the token? We don't know. We do know that 4 tokens are there and 2 of them are going to get picked. All right, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Elon Musk with billions of dollars from his stock sale. What's he going to do with it? Well, I mean, we know he's definitely into cryptocurrency. He likes to tweet about it. Let's head over to an article and find it out. So it says right here, here's what Elon Musk is likely to do with those billions of dollars in stock sales. Holy cow, billions of dollars of stock sales. What is Elon Musk doing with the billions he collected in the past 2 months, selling shares of Tesla? It seems possible, maybe even likely, that he's going to put some of that money into SpaceX and other companies, which he is the CEO and primary stockholder in. Most of the proceeds from the $16 billion in Tesla stocks will go to pay the estimated $11 billion federal tax bill. Probably using a big chunk of that just to pay the tax bill, leaving him with about $5 billion to go wherever he wants to see fit. Now, even if he ends up paying $2 billion in additional tax to the state of California, that's still going to leave him with $3 billion. Musk will be left with a nest egg with more than $3 billion. Perhaps more telling, some footnotes and filling disclosures, details of the sale, along with the timing of the last 2 equity infusions into SpaceX, raises the possibility that Musk is shifting some of his wealth from the public traded Tesla into shares of his privately held company SpaceX. Right here it says neither SpaceX nor Tesla responded to the request about how Musk is going to be using the proceeds of his stock sales. So we don't know exactly how he's going to use it. There's a lot of speculation. It says right here, cash-hungry SpaceX. You know, the cash infusion arrives at an important time. It says right here, we face a general risk of bankruptcy if we can't achieve a Starship flight rate of at least once every 2 weeks. Here's what Elon Musk is most likely to do with billions of dollars of stock sales. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. What are you thinking on that? Yep, so we don't know what's going to happen. They're talking about he's going to put the money here, pay his tax bill, pay this. Some of it going to SpaceX. Who knows? All right, everybody. Let's head back over to AMP token for a price prediction and a little bit of stocks. Over here at Robinhood, I just want to do a little quick segment at the top 100 most popular stocks. Okay, so I just thought this was pretty big. I just kind of wanted to show everybody a few of the top stocks that are the most popular. Apple's the most popular stock on Robinhood. Tesla is the number 2. AMC is the number 3. Ford Motors. Robinhood Markets. There you go. Carnival Cruise. Delta is being traded at $38.93. AT&T is right there. Norwegian Cruise Line, $20.45. We may actually come back with a video in a few days about Norwegian and Carnival Cruise. DraftKings is that right there. Royal Caribbean Group, Sundial, Microsoft, Amazon. So again, we're going to start weaving a little bit into stocks a little bit, cryptocurrency, stocks, all kinds of different things. Let's head back over to AMP token. All right, over here at AMP token, again, this token is down at under 5 cents. What's our price prediction? By the end of the first quarter, we think that this token's going to get to the 8 to 12 cents. It gets to 7 cents all the time, 6 and 7, it doesn't have a problem. 8 to 12. It was at 12 cents last June when it got listed. I think 12 cents could happen again. All our information is educational purposes only. The whole channel, we're trying to help educate everybody. Let's go ahead and head over to the top 10. In top 10 here, we got Polkadot, traded at $30. It's up 9% today, everybody. XRP is traded at 85 cents. Luna is traded at $90, down 8% in the last 7 days. XRP, down 6% in the last 7 days. Cardano is $1.38. It's up 3% today in 24 hours. Solana's down a lot, 11% in the last 7 days. Could be a discount buy. Buying the dip, El Salvador. Number 5, Solana. Check it out. Binance is at 527, up about 1.5%. Ethereum's at 3,700, up about 1%. Bitcoin is hanging at 47.5. All right, everybody. AMP token under 5 cents. Time to load up. Elon Musk got billions of dollars from his sale. Is he going to pay his taxes? He's going to pay taxes with it. What else is he going to do? We're going to start covering a few stocks here for everybody. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody. Today's Sunday. Have a fantastic day today.